Well, welcome everyone, and it's good rainy day in Louisiana and in Terrebonne Parish. Glad y'all could make it, and it's my honor and my pleasure to sign this resolution. You know, it's $250,000 for a Coastal 101 program, and you know, the Terrebonne Parish is facing many hurdles, you know, as far as our coast goes, through the loss of our ecosystem throughout the years, from the leveeing off of the Mississippi River to the barrier islands eroding, allowing heavy salinity levels of water to move north into our estuaries and our tributaries, and which greatly caused our coastal erosion. And you know, we've been very active in our hurricane protection, and we're presently trying to restore our barrier islands. Yeah, we just finished up Whiskey Island for $118 million. There's a segmented breakwater rocks that's been on for 20 years on Raccoon Island, which is rebuilding itself. Same system as Grand Isle, segmented breakwater rocks. You know, I believe that is a salvation to our coastal restoration portion of the barrier islands, and you know, this is just one step forward. And I'm glad to work it here with Fletcher, and we look forward to this agreement and forward to moving forward with it. And the Fletcher Technical Community College and Dr. Kristine Strickland, which is the chancellor, we've worked together in the past. And you know, when I was in the legislature, myself and Reggie Dupree, he was a senator at the time, was in the legislature when the monies was allocated to build this wonderful university in Terrebonne Parish, and to see it expand in many ways is a very refreshing. And I wish luck to you in your program. And with that, I'll be happy to sign it on behalf of Terrebonne Parish Consolidated Government, Mort Black, who is our coastal guy, and the Terrebonne Parish Council. Thank y'all very much.
Sure. So I would just like to take a moment to thank President Dove and to thank the Terrebonne Parish Consolidated Government for this partnership. It is an opportunity for us to train a future workforce in coastal restoration and protection, and we know that that is so important. This coastal restoration, Coastal 101 class that we will be offering will be a 40-hour intensive program to prepare individuals within our community to go to work on the new jobs that are coming into our parish through the Restore Act funding. We anticipate that we will have a lot of interest in this. There's opportunities for Terrebonne Parish residents to receive scholarships to participate in this program. And we just know that we are going to have a tremendous impact on our workforce through our capability to upskill and train. This program as well, I would mention, is really particularly targeted at individuals who have been displaced, maybe from the oil and gas sector, but also for our veterans, as well as for those who might be underemployed or underrepresented in the workforce. So we are very excited to reach out to a new generation of workforce and to provide some opportunities for coastal restoration and protection, and bringing our community into these projects. So President Dove, thank you again for this partnership, and I'm very excited about launching it with you all.
And I look forward to it. You know, we've got over $1.2 billion in coastal work coming to Terrebonne Parish. So there's quite a bit of work, and that's going to be coming to Terrebonne, and I think it's a great step in the direction of a great career in jobs.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Good to see you.
Thank you.